I got to come up with a better door system. This leaks a lot of heat. I put this tarp up here to help insulate some. And it stinks of neem oil in here. I just sprayed all the plants this morning because I got some yeah, you probably can't see them. Got black aphids on my key lime tree. So I'm going to try out this 360 camera in here and see how it works. I got my herb dryer, keeps the bugs out, lets everything dry up. My little strawberry planter, strawberries aren't looking too good. However, I've got one strawberry that's doing great down here. I planted separate from those. And I think there's one or two strawberries in that are doing okay. That's where my startups are. Those are papaya seeds that I sprouted. And I found a cotton bowl on the side of the road, picked it up, and it pulled the seeds out. And I got 2 cotton plants growing. Some cuttings that I'm trying to get to root. That's from the key lime tree and some that. Bananas aren't looking that great. This papaya had to get repotted because the soil was just too packed up. There's good. Bananas, I don't know. I think that maybe got overwatered because I'm getting a bit of fungus on them. That's a calamandan tree I picked up. This orange pineapple's not looking too healthy.